Wow. For this little thing?
$40. That's not bad.
$40. And I'm not a huge fan of these. Like usually these types of
That's why I'm
screwdrivers.
telling you, keep this one, dude. You'll like it. It's great for just installing little things, like when you're doing your rails and you don't want to go too crazy. You know what I'm saying?
This would be nice. You know where this would be nice? I was actually just taking my fireplace apart, like the fireplace insert, and there was this is nice.
Yeah. All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dan. This is Eric. Today, we're talking about a great Christmas gift from Works, right? Everybody knows Works. Years ago, they were the Trivac on TV everywhere. You'd sit up late at night.
I feel like all their stuff's always on that.
What?
I feel like all their stuff's always like on infomercials.
Infomercials? Yeah, kind of. They have a lot of stuff that you don't know about that's like not on infomercials. Like that jaw stand is pretty cool.
Yes, yes.
You know, I mean, their stuff is pretty good. So today we're going to talk about this little 4-volt screwdriver. Now, you know, you can't really get excited over 4-volt screwdrivers, but honestly, this thing has excited me, right? For a few reasons. The way it's packaged, the feel of it, and the power of it, right?
Right.
It's $40 on Amazon. There's a link below where you can go get it. This makes a great present for anybody. Mom, dad, grandpa, grandma.
Yeah.
You know, brother, sister.
Uncles, aunts, cousins, next door neighbors.
Yeah, your cat.
Friends.
Yeah, you can get it for
dogs.
your cats.
Yeah.
Dogs.
All sorts of different things.
No, not the pets, you guys. But basically, what it is, it's 4-volt kit, and it comes in this little container here, and it comes with the, how many bits would you say, Eric?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 bits and a bit holder.
11 bits and a bit holder, you guys. And the bits are color-coded on it, so you can kind of tell, hey, these are, you know, stars are yellow, Phillips are blue, flats are red, and squares are orange.
Yep.
Comes with a cable, so not too much, but the actual unit itself, when you pick it up, you're like, wow, this thing has some weight to it. It feels like a professional tool, doesn't it? I mean, literally, this feels like something that would come out of, like, DeWalt or something like that, right?
I agree.
Only DeWalt's are gyroscopic.
Which I'm not a huge fan of.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the gyroscopic ones either. But, so you got a forward, a back, and then you have a clutch here, you guys. So basically you have your, clutch,
power
gearing.
settings,
Yeah, power settings. Low, speed, medium, medium, and then high.
Yeah, it's got 1, 2, 3.
Actually, dude, it is. It's all the same speed. It's power settings.
It's power.
It's power settings. So let's try it. Let's drill. You got the square bit?
Yeah, right here.
So let's drill a. That's not.
I'll hold it.
Is that the square? Oh.
No, you don't need square. You need
Teeth when it starts winning or something. Sure, that's the right size. Okay, so here we go. So this is max power right here. Okay. Man, dude.
Which I'm surprised for a 4. Like normally these screwdrivers don't excite me just because of the power. Especially for a 4-volt, I wasn't expecting too much. But to be able to take it down through, is that on 1?
It is a clutch.
Yeah.
So it is a clutch, you guys. So I'm on 1 now, and as you can see, once it senses, hey, there's a certain torque happening, it stops. That's great for preventing stripping things, right? So let's do 2 now. 2's kind of the same way,
wow,
but 2 takes it all the way in. We'll try a fractional material. Okay, so yeah, so number 1, if you're doing, you know, plastic things.
Yeah, or like electronics, like for you, like when you used to be in the computer business, so you'd have to take motherboards out and all that. I bet that would probably be a good one, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I would use this tool for that.
Really?
I mean,
Why?
You could, but I mean,
too big for that, or is it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is it okay?
I don't know. For motherboards and electronics, I like using just hand screwdrivers. But I mean, technically, yeah, you could. Cases, computer cases, yeah. Server racks, yeah, stuff like that. You know, but even automotive assembly underneath. I mean, it's just a cool screwdriver. And one of the greatest things that I like is it's just powered by USB-C. So if I lose that whole box with the cable, with everything, it's USB-C.
Yeah.
You know?
Just charge it and go.
Yeah. So, pretty cool. We'll put, like I said, we'll put a link below. This actually makes a good gift, you guys. It's $40.
Makes a great gift for $40.
Yeah.
I'm surprised because I feel like that's, like you said, the quality of this thing, it doesn't feel cheap. You know, we picked up some.
Yeah.
I feel like they only weigh like an ounce.
Well, I feel like one of the better ones out there is the Bosch or the Dremel because they're both the same one, the Dremel Go. But I think that one is activated by actually pushing on it.
It is, I believe.
Yeah, I don't like that
I don't
either.
like that either.
This one just has the best control to me right here.
Yeah.
Just forward and back. Look, the way I'm holding it now is the
Yeah.
way I would use it, just like that, you know? Or you can use it with your thumb. I mean, honestly, this guy never likes this stuff like this. I'll be
Nope.
like, here, you can have this. And he'd be like, no, but are you going to keep this?
Yes.
Or are you going to give one to your somebody?
No, I don't. I'm not a guy who gives. So
Okay. I'll take it. I mean,
you want it?
no,
Well, no,
I got
don't.
one.
No, honestly, I think this is cool. I like this whole kit. I just like having this kit. If you're just gonna go do something, take the kit. It's got the bits in there. It's got your charging cord in there. It's got everything you need right in there.
Yeah. It's cool stuff, you guys. From Works. Check it out. You know, not gimmicky. Does the job. Surprised by the quality. Surprised by the power. $40 below. Not overpriced. Great gift. Check it out. Have happy holidays.
Man, $40. Honestly, it's a good.
Dude.
I think it's a great deal for this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because, dude, like.
Well, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a great deal. I would just
I
say
do.
it's priced good.
I think it's a good deal.
You know? I mean...
Okay, maybe not great. Good. It's a
'Cause-
good deal.
'cause-
$40. How much can you get the other ones for? They're.
I think they're in the same range.
But again, like you said though, then you don't have you either have to push on it or you got to turn.
Right, but there is some, like Hitachi has one that's sitting right there at 3.6.
Look how big that
for-
is, though. I don't-
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
just-
it's in
this
a
is
class
nice,
of its
you know?
own. We should put these up against the other one. But nobody really cares about 4-volt screwdrivers. Nobody gets excited
No.
about them. But this one, get excited about because it's cool.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.